Welcome to the Scottsdale Vibes podcast. I'm your host, Alicia Haygood. 'Tis the season to be giving. I'm so excited to introduce you to some nonprofit charities here in Scottsdale in the Valley. And of course, we love our sponsors. And so I want to start with Birdcall today. Rachel, welcome back to the table. Now you're at my table, actually. I was at your table last month. I was at their location located off of Scottsdale and Shea. Go check it out. It's a great place to feed your employees, your staff, or anyone else this holiday season, and always your family as well. But I want to talk to you, Rachel, because you all give year-round, and I love hearing about this. It's what's part of your corporate policy, Give Back 1%. Yes. We mentioned it last month. I really want to dive into it this month, so tell me more about this program that you all do.
Yeah, so we give 1% back to the community through fundraisers. We do a lot of fundraisers with schools and nonprofit organizations. And we do like food drops, food donations. I actually just did one this morning.
Fantastic.
For basis.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
So we donated 50 sandwiches and 4 salads, and it was so fun. Everybody was so excited.
You are part of AZ Helping Hands as well this season.
Yep.
Tell me about that a little bit.
Yeah, so on Tuesday evening, there was a toy drive, and it was so much fun. Santa was there, Elsa was there. And we provided some sandwiches for the volunteers.
That's great.
And I also volunteered.
See, you really do give back in everything. It's your time, it's your food, and everything else. Why was this important to Birdcall to really incorporate giving back to the community that you are part of?
Well, we love our community, and we love giving back, and we are so grateful to be part of this amazing community. So we just want to give back.
What are some, you do schools, you do nonprofits and stuff. You have a thing going on this month that I just got a newsletter about. I'm really excited to talk about. We've been promoting it on our channels as well on social media. What's going on about the donation for the nonprofits this year? Yeah,
so if you know of an organization or school, or if you work for one, a nonprofit, we want to surprise them with some food this month for the holiday season. So you can go to our Instagram page. We have a link on our bio.
Eat.birdcall, right?
Eat.birdcall, yes. Or you could even just send an email to hello@eatbirdcall.com.
Okay. And do we need to tell you anything specific in it? Just give us the nonprofit that we'd like to feed. Are you doing everyone? Are you doing like a drawing? How is this working?
So depending on how many we get in.
I hope a lot that this is going to blow you away.
Yeah, so, we're going to try to hit as many nonprofits as we can, or that we get in. If not, if we don't get it, in December, we'll extend it through, next year.
The beginning of next year.
Nice. The beginning of next year, yeah. So, so you can just email us or send us a message saying which nonprofit and include a date and a time that would work best. Okay. Also, like the contact who would come pick up the food.
Okay. Yeah. That's good to know, and that's easy. And guys, go to Eat Birdcall. It's very simple. They are really responsive. You have a fun social media page as well. I love following it and being on there. So yes, and you've seen all the stories on our page as well. Tell me what you are most excited about here this holiday season, Rachel.
I love holiday season stuff. Yeah. I had so much fun at that Helping Hands, Arizona Helping
Hands.
They're
a great organization. Our sponsor, Jeremy Mueller from State Farm, is doing a toy drive. He did that for the past month and got so many toys that he actually had to empty it and then extended another week because all of his clients were bringing in stuff.
Yeah, it was insane because I was part of the taking out the toys from the cars, and they were packed full. It was so great to see, and everybody was having so much fun. They had hot cocoa and coffee. It was fun.
Did you sit on Santa's lap and maybe ask for a thing or two this season?
No. I did. I posed with him. I made him take photos with me.
He's watching you, Rachel, and he knows that Birdcall does everything right for this community with everything that you've given back so far. What's on the books for next year? What can we look forward to from Birdcall here in Scottsdale?
Oh, we're trying our best to get out, and I was here this week to mingle and meet new people and do a lot of events. We also adopted a family.
Oh, tell me about that.
So we adopted a family through the city of Scottsdale, and I went out and purchased, everything. Well, not everything, but the stuff they needed or wanted on the list. It was so fun. If you have a list, like a Christmas shopping list with specific on it, I love going out and finding it.
I'm with you. And not only that, typically you get to a certain age where you just don't need a lot, like as an adult and stuff. And then you buy yourself so much during the year, it's hard to wait till the holiday to do it. Yeah. So much of what my family does is we adopt a family as well. Oh, cool, so instead of buying presents for like my sister and my parents and my grandmother, we adopt a family and we each buy a present for that family. Oh, so that's what we spend our money on. And then we spoil the kids because they don't know any better yet, kind of thing. So I understand the fulfillment we get internally for giving back. And this season is so much about that. You all do so much for the community. We're so thankful. You've only been here less than a year in Scottsdale, and look how the imprint that you've made, a lasting imprint on that family, on helping with AZ, helping hands, and only that, just feeding us constantly. And I love everything is naturally sourced from here in the Valley, so you're still supporting local year-round without giving, and that means everything to this community that we thrive off the small business. So thank you for being a part of that.